Hello, today we're going to look at this salad washer. This was bought in one of those bargain shops, like a dollar store, pound shop, and we're going to wash some salad today. So there's a basket in here where you put the salad in. Then there's this bowl where the water goes into, and then this is the top of the lid that has this rotation part. First, let's do the spinach. Whoops. Gonna wash the salad in the basket. The spinach. Shake off any excess water. Okay, let's move over here. So here's the spinach, putting the lid on. And there's this rotational device right here that spins around and it will get all the water out. So you can see that spinning around. That takes out most of the water. You can see right here, that's how much water it took out. Do it one more time, see if we can get some more out. I didn't spin it for very long, but tiny bit. But that's enough. That's good enough to serve. Because you don't want your salad or your spinach all soggy and wet when you eat it. So this is quite a handy contraption. All right. I also have some mixed leaf salad. I'll show you using that as well. Just rinse this under cold water. Hey, this whole chunk in there. Let me break that apart. Give this a good wash. Shake out any excess water. Let's move to this angle. Snap the lid on. Let's go again. It's quite a lot of power in it, because if I leave it go, it will spin by itself. It's stopped on clip. Let's have a look. There's a decent amount of water there. Let's do it one more time. You can see the salad's quite dry, but I usually do it for 2 spins. Yeah, I think we got most of the water out. It's only a tiny bit left. So there we have it. That's the salad spinner washer thing, and you can pick it up at well, I got this in Mr. Price. I think you can get it from 3 to 5 euros. It's a really handy device to have, especially if you don't like soggy salad, soggy vegetables. Alright, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.